Hello guys and welcome in this video. I'm going to show you how to set up the Trafft app inside your sub account. So let's get started. At the level for our marketplace, once you search for the app, you go at the install and then allow install. You're asked to provide some credentials in order to get the installation going. So let's do it right away. Client ID, client secret, and you get success. The tool is already installed. So the next step is to go at the level of the custom page to access the tool. But you will notice that we don't have the tool here, which means we need to refresh the page. Here we are. So let's scroll down. Trafft. The new interface, we have the documentation, the tutorials, and the setup. At the level for documentation, we go at view and we get the instructions. We have all the steps that we follow to set up the app. At the level of tutorials, we have the smart Q guide showing us how to get all the credentials. And down here we have the setup video. And finally, at the level of setup, we can check the status of the app. That's it pretty much, guys. If you ever have any question, we have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching.